My name is Iris and I have made it my mission to provide teenagers with the guidance and design thinking tools for discovering what career path might be a good fit. I have a Master of Science degree in Industrial Design and I have been practicing design thinking methods and workshops for over a decade. Even though we often hope for a quick fix solution to finding a career we will love, deciding on a path that is uniquely suited to you takes time. It is a process in which you need to explore, discover, reflect, understand, brainstorm, experiment, and plan to find what schools and careers make a good fit. Teenagers benefit from a guided step-by-step approach to finding a career they will love because it helps them in structuring their thoughts and distilling what's most important for them to focus on. Through unraveling their strengths and interests, they discover what drives them and brainstorm uniquely suited ideas for their future. On November 1st, my online live class for teenagers called Design Your Future Career will kick off, in which I will guide you in crafting career ideas that fit your personality. In 8 lessons in a digital classroom, you will explore your curiosity, unravel your strengths, capture your dreams, discover your goals, brainstorm career ideas, design your future path, and plan your next steps to make a well-considered career choice. You can join a group class or private class with one-on-one guidance. Make sure to sign up before the 16th of October 2023 to receive all of the class materials at your doorstep in time.